Whispers from the Brighter World, Beloved Master, Revered Babuji Maharaj, Thursday, April 26th, 2001, 8 am. The medium says, Babuji, let me serve you more and more, better and better. You are serving my child. What more do you want? Be satisfied with the current state. To be in service in our way means primarily to do one's abhyas correctly. To work for oneself is to work for the multitude. You should not forget this principle, which perhaps does not seem obvious to you. Almost all sacred texts take up these comments formulated in another way. Without dwelling on that and giving you complicated explanations that are not in line with the style of these messages, we will simply say that all harmonious vibrations emanating from a heart in meditation, as well as thoughts of love and all that elevate your thoughts, benefit all of your brothers. It is a well established rule. Think of multitude of beings who meditate every day, devoting time to this practice and who pray for the good of humanity. This egregore is powerful. It constitutes a power that neutralizes the effects of another power, a negative one. That is how your sadhana elevates you while contributing to a noble cause. You are collectively and individually beacons illuminating the darkness like the stars in a dark sky. Is there anything more beautiful than this sight delighting man's heart? It shows him the infinite greatness of the divine creation. Babuji Maharaj. Friday, April 27th, 2001, 8 am. The true dimension of some beings is not revealed to the world. The aim of their incarnation is not to be idolized. Each of these saints has a specific mission which he accomplishes as planned. Thus was the great Ramakrishna, who was important at one time in your life. Men's assessment on that aspect is not quite right, and it is better that way. Some missioned people would be constrained in the achievement of their work if they were recognized. Many go unnoticed. There are very many examples in history. Let your heart be reassured. They have enlightened the world in their own way, in silence and without publicity, while giving infinite love to humanity. Although their actions are lost in the memory of mankind, they are engraved forever in the memory of time. They maintained the flame which enlightens the world. They made it progress, and even if the results are not very clear, a big step has been taken towards the awakening of consciousness. Many beings have reached levels which have freed them from their chains. Thus, very slowly, a new era is in the making. It will appear when the time comes. A big step will be taken then for humanity, which will radically change the course of its evolution, the goal to be reached. All will be fulfilled according to God's plans. Babuji Maharaj.